Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. So today we are doing full body workout with our model here. Kindly introduce yourself.
JACQUE-FITNESS it is.
Jackie Fitness. I'll leave her link on the description box below, as well as pin it on the comment section. Okay, if you find it helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up. It goes a long way to help this channel. Okay, so we are combining cardio and weights and plyometrics, everything. You ready for that? We start off with running. You are ready to die? Okay, so you're ready?
Yes.
Keep on going. So when you're running, guys, constantly you're landing on soft, like you can see. She's landing on soft. That one prevents pressure from getting through, to your knees. So this is the safest way to do your job. And realize the surface we are working from is a bit raised. So at least it takes away pressure from your joints. Okay, so it's very dangerous to run on a hard ground. Most of our houses are tiles. Yeah, again on bare feet. Okay, so 10 more. We are moving back for 10. 1, 2, a bit faster. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab your weight. We start off with lower back. Okay? So it's a bend, soft knees constantly.
Yes.
Chest forward bend, and you straighten up. Ready?
Okay.
Let's go. Straighten up. That's good. 1. Okay? Soft knees constantly. Keep on going. 2. And realize her back is very flat. Chest forward. So primary muscle you're working on is the lower back.
Yes.
Secondary muscle you're working on is the hamstring. So in every workout you do, there's always a primary muscle you work on and a secondary muscle you work on.
Show them what hamstring is.
Okay? Oh, this is the hamstring. Guys, this is the hamstring. So this is the secondary muscle being involved. And of course, every workout you do, your core is engaged.
Yes.
That's what you normally say. You can lose your tummy fat by just doing general full body workout.
Yes.
Okay? How many are those? I hope you are counting.
I'm not.
You lost count.
Yes.
Okay, we add 5. But guys, if you're following from home, ensure you do between 15 and 20 repetition. Because if you're toning, you have to do high repetition. If you're bulking up, you're doing muscle training, you reduce on repetition, but you increase on the weight.
Yes, we are done.
Okay? Good. Now we put down. We are going for jumping jacks. Okay? So as your muscles are resting, we are doing cardio. As your cardio is resting, we do muscle. Okay? Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, you're landing on soft. 9, another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep on going. Guys, if you can't jump like her, just do a modified version of the same. Okay? Until you're able to do your proper jumping jacks. So don't compare yourself to anyone or to her. She's our model for now. Just do your own way. Okay? How many are those? I know you lost count.
Yes.
Pick the weights. Now we are going for upper back.
Okay.
Okay? Bend over rows, chest forward,
Yes.
flatten your back. You engage all the other muscles and we are rolling up. Let's go. 1, continuous. 2, 3. So guys, we are dealing with the upper back. Apart from the upper back muscles, we have, they call latissimus dorsi. So we'll not go into details, all those scientific names. But for your sake, we'll call it upper back. There's also bicep being involved in this workout.
Yes.
So primary muscle is the back, but there are so many other muscles that we are working on. Realize her hamstring is out, so you're also stretching your hamstring as well. Okay? Give me 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. Good. Now put the weights down. If you need water, stay hydrated throughout your workout. 1, 2, 3, knee. So now we do clean and jerk. From down, when you come up, bring it to your shoulders, then we push up. Continuous. Okay?
It's going to lift.
Sorry?
I was going to lift.
I know.
I
Okay,
think-
move closer. Okay, there we go. So from down, here, take it up. So that's one.
Yes.
Keep on going. So again, guys, this is a compound workout. We are engaging the lower back, the legs, your hands, your shoulders. So we call it compound workout, whereby you are utilizing more than one muscle. Okay? So we are educating ourselves here as well. Keep on going. How many are those?
7.
That's 8, 9. Give me 5 more. Let's go 5 more. So remember, our count is between 15 and 20. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. That's good. Catch your breath. How is it? Okay. So now we are going for cardio. Immediately you rest from muscle working out, cardiovascular. Now we go for cardiovascular.
Can I have some water?
Yeah. That's not water. So you jump, touch across, touch across. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the higher you go, the better. 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Tricep muscles. So here. Take your weight. No delay tactic. So now we are going for tricep. So here, chest forward, elbows up, kick back, fold, kick back, fold. You ready? Let's go. Bend, chest forward, elbows up, straighten back. 1 and fold. Good. 2 and fold. 3 and fold. Keep on going. 4 and fold. 5 and fold. Keep your elbows up throughout. Elbows up throughout. 5 more. Let's go. 4 more, elbows up. 3 more, elbows up. 2 more, elbows up. And 1 more. Good. So from your triceps, you go to cardio, then we do some chest workouts. Ready? You guys can relate to this.
It's tough.
Okay?
Yes.
Ready? We go for mountain climber. High knees and opposite arm. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Squats, biceps.
Oh my gosh.
Okay? What's your favorite? Squats, biceps. Okay?
So, like this is
Okay? So squat, biceps. Guys, make sure your knees never go beyond your toes. When you do that, you're putting pressure on your knees. So just take your hips to the back like that and you go deeper down. So in this case, she's holding weights. It's good because you're combining legs and biceps. Okay? So you go deep down and straighten up. Straighten up like this.
Oh.
1, then we go down, straighten up, 2, yes, keep on going, straighten up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, good, 8, 9, 5 more, let's go 5 more, your target should be around 15, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, 5, and put your weights down. So guys, always remember to keep breathing throughout your workout, okay? And we always say, against force, breathe out. Against force, breathe out. When you're going down, breathe in. When you're coming up, breathe out, okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Against force, breathe out. What happens when you don't breathe? You block oxygen from getting into your head. 2 things will happen. You will feel nausea or dizzy, or you can even vomit. Okay? We call it Valsalva maneuver, scientifically. Ready for one more workout? Okay? So this time we are going for log jumps. Ready? Let's go. Log jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, high, 6, tummy tight, 7, 8, 9, another 10, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 10, let's go. Last 10, last 10.
No? Megata. Hey, you are going to kill me.
Here, grab your weights. So we'll go down and do push-ups from here. Your knees apart to give you stability. Your chest forward. Okay? Then you go deep down, coming up, pull. Deep down, coming up, pull. Most of the workouts you're doing are compound workouts.
Yeah.
Utilizing more than one muscle.
Yes.
Ready? Let's go down. Knees apart to give you stability. Now you bring your chest in line with your hands.
Okay.
Let's go down. Pull. Pull. That's 1. Go down. No, we go down. So 1, 1.
Okay.
Go down. Pull. Pull. That's 2. Go down, up. 3. Keep on changing. Go down. The other hand. Up. 4. Up. 5. So if it's harder for you guys to put like your knees backwards, you can always bring them closer and you just open your elbows out. Let's try it. Up. So you don't have to go all the way down. Pull. 7. Pull. 8. Pull. 9. Pull. 10. 5 more. 5 more. 5 more. Let's go down. Up. 4 more. Go down. The other hand, up, 3 more, go down, this hand, pull, yes, 2 more, the other hand, 1 more, pulling up, good, how was it?
Oh, it's tough.
Tough.
But one thing I love about that is you feel the burn mostly
On your core?
Yeah.
Yes, so throughout our workout, we haven't done any tummy workout like most people do in the gym. We have done full body workout, but primary muscle we have been engaging is the core muscle. So with that, you lose belly fat, you strengthen your back as well.
Exactly.
Okay? So guys, stay tuned because more workouts are coming. Do you have anything to tell us?
Yes. If you do compound workouts, you don't need crunches.
Yes.
At all.
Yes. Okay.